let's talk about the greed and fear note of Jefferies, which calls India a reverse AI trade, citing startup momentum and reform tailwinds despite MSCI India underperformance. Portfolio changes include adding Adani Power and InterGlobe Aviation while raising weight in ABB India. My colleague Rabinda is joining us with the highlights of the note.
Well, as India continue to remain an important conversation in the global market. In the Jefferies Greed and Fear report, they say that India is still viewed as a reverse AI trade by the global emerging equity investors. And Jefferies also said that India clearly possesses strong human capital and deep business instincts capable of building a thriving startup ecosystem. But the biggest structural challenges remain the continued migration of the top talent to the Silicon Valley. They also highlighted that from the market performance perspective that MSCI India has significantly lagged global peers, underperforming the MSCI Emerging Index by approximately 41% on a total return basis since its peak in September 2024. And despite this market underperformance, India is increasingly emerging as a relative beneficiary of global shift, which is supported by rising AI investment, ongoing regulatory reform, and global trade realignment trends. And reflecting this evolving outlook, the portfolio has undergone selective reshuffling, which stocks excluded include Home First Finance, Ixigo, Lemon Tree Hotels, and on the other hand, Adani Power, InterGlobe Aviation, and Indian Hotels have been added to the portfolio. And in the terms of allocation adjustment, weightage has been increased in ABB India, while exposure to PB Fintech has been reduced. And if we talk about the Jefferies India long only equity portfolio, the updated India long only portfolio remains diversified across financial, consumptions, infrastructure, and new age sectors. Among financials, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and State Bank of India each carry a 4% weightage alongside SBI Life Insurance at 6%. REC, PB Fintech, Manappuram Finance, and Chola Mandalam Finance also hold a 4% allocations. And auto and manufacturing representation include TVS Motor and Mahindra at 4% each allocations.